If you watch my channel, you are probably using SAM2 or SAM3. And with the current workflow, if you delete the mask file, your mask is gone. So if you open Darktable, part of your edit will be broken. But Darktable 5.6 will fix all that. So if you want to see why, stick around. Hey guys, this is just a quick update. So this video was recorded a few weeks ago because I was going on vacation, so I prepared a few videos in advance. But since then, things have changed as there is now a pull request on GitHub to bring an AI submodule to Darktable. If this pull request is merged with the main branch, we will have AI masking and denoise built inside Darktable. I don't know when or if this will happen, but if it does, it means the SAM2 and SAM3 plugin won't be that useful. But still, I think every improvement done to the external raster mask module is a nice to have. Because even if we have AI masking and denoise built inside Darktable, it's always nice to have alternatives. That's because we don't know if all the models will be supported. So if that's not the case, we will be able to run them using the Lua script. Because of that, I think there is still value in the video you will see today. So if you agree with me, let's go. Now I'm inside an Arch Linux virtual machine with Hyperland, and I've installed the Darktable nightly build. It's a development version compiled from the latest source code, so it's like a preview of what Darktable 5.6 will look like. Now let's generate a mask using SAM2. So I will open Darktable. So as you can see in the top left corner, I'm on version 5.5, which is the developer build. So now let's select this image to generate a sky mask. So I will use SAM2. I will select the teeny model because I'm inside a VM, point segmentation because I like it, and then generate mask. Now I click there to generate my sky mask, and that's it. The mask is saved. So now we need to open the external raster mask module to import our mask. So if I click there, I go to pictures, and you see I have my mask right there. And as you can see, it's not a PFM file, so it's a PNG file of only 2.5 kilobytes. The reason is because now the external raster mask module can handle PNG file, so I modified my Lua script to export as a PNG instead of a PFM file. So now if I double click, we will import our mask. And now you can see there is a new button in the external raster mask module, and that button is called Vectorize. If you click on it, a new shape will be created in the mask manager. So if I click on it right now, some masks were generated automatically. So now if I open the mask manager, you see I have two shapes. So now because the mask was imported inside the sidecar, I no longer need the external raster mask module. So just to prove it to you, I will reset the module. So you will see no mask is there. So now I've selected the first shape, and you see it's my sky mask. If I select the second shape, I don't know what that is, so I will delete that. So now let's say I want to use that shape to create a sky mask. So let's say I open the exposure module. Before you had to select external raster mask, but now we can select drawn and parametric mask. So if I open this under drawn mask, no shape is being used, but I can select the shape I have in my mask manager. So if I select it right now, and now I invert my mask, and voila, I have my sky mask. And now because that's a parametric mask, we can use all of the masking feature we love from Darktable. So for example, I can use this to fine-tune my mask as I wish. You can also add shapes. So for example, if I do this, so now as you can see, I can precisely control where my mask is being applied. And the good thing is that this mask is now saved inside the Sidecard. So if I open the picture folder, right now the mask is saved inside that file. So if I copy the picture and this file to another computer, I will have the same mask when I open the picture with Darktable. So I will copy these files to my Linux Mint virtual machine and get back to you very soon. So now I'm inside the Linux Mint virtual machine. I copied the file from the Arch Linux virtual machine, and I will open Darktable. Now let's import the picture. So add to library, home, download. So now the mask file is not in that virtual machine, but if I open my mask manager, you see I have my mask right there. And if I open the exposure module, you see we have our mask right there. So no need to keep the PFM or the PNG file on your drive. You can delete it because the mask is saved on the Sidecard. So that's it for me. This is the update I wanted to show you. For my workflow, this update will be very useful. So thanks to the Darktable dev.